Welcome to Handy Mandarin. Discover the fastest and easiest way to create your own expressions in Chinese freely. Hello, I'm Leslie. Welcome to our grammar course. Today is the first class of grammar course. We will start with the phonetics. Pinyin. Pinyin is the Chinese name meaning of this part. Usually people think Chinese language is very difficult because they think Chinese people only use the Chinese characters like these three. When you open any Chinese book, that's each page full of the Chinese characters. True, that's true. But we also have another system we call pinyin. So pinyin, we use the Latin letters like English, German, French, Spanish. We use these letters and to pronunciate each Chinese characters. So let's just check. First one, we have the spelling and pronunciation for this character as 我. So in this spelling, we have first W and O and the tiny part on the O. These three parts together, we can get the one spelling. So the first one we call initial, and then final, and the tiny part we call tones. The second characters has the same structure. 学 is X and UE. That's the initial and the final. And the tone is tiny part on the E. And the third one, we have the one word called 中文. 中文, that's two spellings here for one word. And the first one is ZH with ONG and the tiny tone on it, on the O. And the second spelling is W and EN and the tones on the E. So you can see any spelling in Chinese language is made of three parts: initial, final, and the tones. So when we put these three together, people can pronunciate each spelling easily. Then each spelling is for one Chinese character, and several characters together become one word. And of course, when we put words together, the sentence is there. And so please just check the first example sentence. I learn Chinese language. Yes, here we got 我 and with I, 学 learn 中文 Chinese language. So you should notice the order of this sentence. It's very interesting. English and Chinese has exactly the same sentence order, right? So you should be very happy because Chinese and English has lots of similarity. That the sentence order is one of them. I will explain to you all these rules step by step and figure out the logic of Chinese thinking in the sentence. With all this knowledge, you can organize the words easily yourself, and in the end, you can express your idea clearly and precisely. Okay, let's back to the very beginning, as the basic unit of this language is initials, finals, and tones. Then some spellings. So you can see this big form, and there are several spellings on it, right? Actually, Chinese has limited spellings. Unlike the Western languages, and you have the endless spellings, but Chinese, all the spellings in Chinese language are on this form. So that's all. And so you just need practice each spelling, and later you really can read some Chinese characters if these characters has the spellings on it. On this form, you will see the pink part, that's the initials, and the green part is the finals. They are finals. And we also have, and you see that there are some space, there is no spelling there, right? It means we don't have those pronunciation in Chinese language. So you can see that the Chinese, all the pronunciation are here on this paper. You will receive this paper later, and it will help you just to practice your pronunciation easily. Look at this, and you should notice that we have like the blue line there, and later we'll explain to you what they are. But anyway, that all the spellings in Chinese language are here.